Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be looking at the SOUNDPEATS PearlClip Pro, which are open-ear clip-on earbuds designed for all-day comfort and natural awareness. So I've been wearing these in different real-world situations over the last week and over the last few weeks actually, such as walking, phone calls, watching movies, etc. So this review is going to focus on how they actually hold up in the day-to-day use. So let's get started on this review. Let's have a look at the design then. So the PearlClip Pro don't sit inside your ears at all. So as the name suggests, they clip on your ear like this onto the outer part of your ear, which means no pressure in your ear canal and no fatigue after long wearing sessions. So in the real use, that makes a huge difference for comfort. So I wore these for 3 to 4 hours at a time, sort of walking, photo, video editing and phone calls with my kids around, so I could hear people, and I could hear people really clearly, but also keep an eye on my children. They stayed in place that needed to be adjusted at all. They just kind of sat there. I didn't even know I had them on. So if traditional earbuds make your ears ache, this design is much better for you because they're open ear. You stay aware of everything around you. It makes them ideal for outdoor activities and sort of shared spaces where you need to be aware of your surroundings and the noise going on, so they don't completely noise cancel your ears at all. There's no noise cancelling at all on these earbuds. So essentially priced at around £45, available in 4 very cool colours like white and purple. I've got the grey ones here that look very nice. So let's kind of like talk about real world use then outdoors, and in particular with fitness in mind, because you might want to use these for running, for walking, etc. So let's talk about walking and outdoor use. The clip-on design keeps them secure even when you're moving fast, so you've got no slipping, no popping out of unexpectedly, no falling out. So I used them for exercise for a few times and they stayed very secure the whole time, and the awareness was fantastic, and you can hear cars, bikes, people around you without feeling cut off. You go to a shop, you can talk to the shopkeeper, you can talk to people in the street if you need to. If safety is your kind of priority, these make a lot of sense in terms of earbuds because they don't cut off the world around you. Obviously the downside to that is that you can hear more people talking, your music might get drowned out, etc. So for traveling around, they're a mixed bag. So in a good way sort of, they're open ear, so you can still hear train announcements, etc., or bus announcements, someone speaking near you, which is perfect. You don't want to be completely shut out, as I've mentioned before. However, in very loud environments like a busy high street, for example, when I was walking down the high street in town, you could hear a lot of noise, and the wind noise and everything like that didn't get drowned out, so it kind of overtook my music sometimes. But these do go pretty loud. They go pretty loud, as we'll mention now in the sound quality. They don't shy away from loudness as some open ear designs do. So the big question is, how do they sound essentially, which is the most important thing for any earbuds. So for open earbuds, the PearlClip Pro sound surprisingly good, and they really surprised me, I have to say. The bass has far more punch to it than I expected. Vocals are really clear, mids are quite strong, and the highs are quite smooth. They're not super sharp because of that open ear design. So I think overall I describe the sound as neutral but very open and very detailed for the design of the earbuds, which really surprised me because normally these kind of earbuds don't sound detailed, you lose a lot of the music. But for example, I was listening to a track earlier on Tidal, which isn't lossless because these only support non-lossless codecs, and it sounded excellent. The detail was very good. I could hear the guitar really well through, the mid-range was really clear, so very much surprised me on how good they sound. So they won't replace your sort of in-ear buds or over-ear buds if you want that kind of heavy listening session or heavy bass or full immersion. But for anything like podcasts, YouTube, casual listening, commuting, when you're not bothered about the world being cut around you, they're more than capable at moderate volumes, and they sound very good. So they do go pretty loud for an open ear design, but obviously they don't go as loud as full size headphones that sit on your head or in-ear design, because you lose a lot of the volume which gets sort of dispersed around your ear. But these are actually the best I've heard for sort of pushing the sound towards your ear, if that makes sense, without having to crank the volume right up. So at higher volumes you get the same sound leakage again, which is totally normal for this open ear design. So the best open ear ones I've tried for the price point of £45 as well. There's such good value for money. So I use them in the office or at home. They kind of shine there because you've not got the background noise, and they're really comfortable to wear for long periods. And you can also hear your co-workers, or you can hear doorbells or conversations around you. And it's just good, it's useful to be able to hear that if you're in that kind of situation. So I use them for long video editing sessions, answering emails, jumping into calls, and the comfort really stood out. I didn't once feel the urge to take them out for a break, which for me is rare for in earbuds, because I often take them off quite a lot because they fatigue your ears. So these just, I didn't even know I was wearing them half the time. So call quality is also pretty good. The voices are clear on phone calls, and people on the end had no trouble hearing me either. So wind noise isn't blocked out completely. So when you're in the street on a windy day, you're going to get a lot of feedback through the microphone on the wind, because they've not got any noise cancelling on the wind side of it on the microphone or anything. So if you just be aware of that will be a limitation on these earbuds. So battery life, it was excellent on these. It sits around 6 to 7 hours. I think for the size of these is very good because they're not particularly huge. And it also depends on volume. Obviously, if you're using them on high volumes, they'll last less time. If you charge them for around 10 minutes, this should give you around 2 hours playback, so very quick charging, and the case in total will give you 18 hours playback, so perfect for commuting, or if you're out and about on holiday. These will last a long time. So sort of pros and cons, let's go over these. So the pros are they're extremely comfortable for long listening sessions. It's a secure clip-on fit for running and workouts. Great environmental awareness and better than expected sound for open earbuds, and very good battery life, lightweight, and connection was very good and stable and easy to connect to any device. Cons are they're not very good for loud environments, which you would expect for the open ear design. Sound leakage at kind of higher volumes, and bass not as deep as in-ear buds as you'd expect, and not for people who want that full immersion. So they do support spatial audio technically, but I couldn't get it to work, so I'm not sure how that works, but they technically do, but I don't think you get the full effect anyway. So I'd say the pros and cons are pretty much what you'd expect for open ear design, and these are actually fantastic value for money in a lot of ways, just simply because of that £45 price point and the sound quality you get with them. So I'd highly recommend, if you're looking for these open earbuds, you check them out. So they're perfect for comfort without ear pressure, for running, walking, all day wear, and for office use, and it's very comfortable to use. So the great fitness, great sound, and as I mentioned, very comfortable, but not necessarily the best on the isolation side. So perfect value for money. Check out SOUNDPEATS PearlClip Pro earbuds on their website. They've got a deal on Amazon at the moment. Very good value for money. As I've mentioned, I just would, if you're looking for the open ear design, I would just buy these first and try them because they're such good value for money. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the review. A like and a subscribe would be great as normal, and I will speak to you next time. Thank you very much.